I hear shots coming on the low from hoes I'm hiding. This attention is so flattering cause they admiring. Don't know what's on their mind, but it should be retirement.
Hey loves, as you guys can see from the title below, this is going to be my Christmas gift wish list. If you guys haven't seen the kids' Christmas wish list, it will be linked down below. If you guys haven't seen their 2016 what they got for Christmas video, it will be down below as well. I think the 2016 one has almost 3.9 million views, so thank you guys so much for that. And also the 2017 video has over 1 million views, so thank you guys so much. I love you guys so much for that. Stay tuned to the end of this video because I will be doing a cash giveaway, and if you haven't seen my last video, I'm also doing a cash giveaway in that video as well. So I don't want this video to be too long because I don't really have a lot of things I want to get for Christmas. And you guys, 2 other things that is on my Christmas wish list, my husband has already got it for me. I'm not going to say exactly what it is, but we was out the other day at the mall shopping for the kids' Christmas gifts, and he didn't even know it was on my list, but I know that it's a gift that was on my list, and I was like, he's already got it. He didn't even know that it was on there. So like I said, stay tuned to the end of the video because I will have a cash giveaway going on at the end of the giveaway. So yes, and I didn't even do my post notification shout out in my last video. You know what, you guys, let me go ahead and do my post notification shout out because I forgot to do it in my last video before I forget. So today's post notification shout out goes to, let's see, Life of Christina. Thank you so much for turning on your notification bell and saying done in the comments. And if you guys want to be shouted out in my upcoming videos, all you have to do is click the notification bell and put done in the comments, and that way I know you want a shout out in my next video. So I'm just going to go ahead and tell you guys what my Christmas list is. So you guys know I have been working out so much, probably since it's been like 7 to 8 months now, and I've been so consistent. I'm still going hard. I'm still doing what I need to do for me. I'm not on any particular diet. You guys are always asking me on Snapchat when I eat stuff. Like matter of fact, last night for my son's birthday, we went to Cheesecake Factory, and I had the shrimp something. It was called shrimp something, and it was only 560 calories. It was, I think it was called the lemon garlic shrimp, and it comes with like shrimp and pasta. It was only 560 calories. So I'm not even on a calorie diet. I just try not to go over the certain amount of calories that I need to eat that day. So yeah, I just do what works for me, you guys. So I've been needing some workout clothes and stuff like that, so that is why you will notice on my Christmas list that I have some workout stuff on here. So the first thing on my Christmas wish list is workout clothes. If you guys notice on my Snapchat when I'm going to the gym and stuff like that, or if I've just worked out, if I'm just showing myself in my workout clothes, I only have like black leggings or like black tights or like gray leggings, gray tights. I also have like a lot of black shirts, a few colorful shirts, but not that many shirts. And you guys, if you want to get workout clothes from Target, they can be kind of pricey. So I just wanted like a week worth of workout clothes, different leggings. I wanted them to be kind of colorful. I didn't want them to just be black because I have plenty of black leggings, plenty of black tops and stuff like that. So for my Christmas wish list, the first thing, like I said, is leggings and shirts. And I don't want any clothes, you guys. I have so many clothes. You know, I have been losing weight. I'm constantly losing weight, and I'm constantly buying new clothes. And I got to the point to where I'm buying clothes one size down because I work out, and some clothes that I purchased 3 months ago don't fit me till today. So that's how I buy my clothes. So I'm not needing any regular clothes, just workout clothes. So one is leggings and shirt. The second thing is workout tennis. You guys know I love Nike Shocks. I love Vapor Maxes. I love, I have a pair of Nikes. I don't even know what kind of Nikes those are, but they just Nikes. I don't know the particular like title for the shoes. And those are the shoes I work out in a lot. Also, I have a pair of black Huaraches that I work out in, and so I wanted more workout shoes. So my favorite pair of shoes to work out in, you guys, is Huaraches. Like, it feels like you're walking on air. They are so soft in the inside. I'm not sure if they're the Huarache ones or the Huarache twos. I'm not sure, but I'm sure you guys see me on Snapchat working out in them. I love them. They're so light, and I love the shoes. So my first pair of shoes, I would definitely want a pair of Huaraches. I don't want black though. Probably like a nice, like a rose gold, or like a, I don't know, maybe like a nice plum color. I've seen those in the mall. Also, my second pair would be a pair of Nikes. I can't even think of the name of the Nikes. I just have a picture in my phone. So that's the second thing that I want. Two pair of workout shoes. Also at Macy's, there's a pair of glitter heels I'm so obsessed with. They're kind of pricey. But they was actually on sale the other day. I wanted to get them so bad, but I was like, you know, my husband throwing hints out like what I want. And so, yeah, it's a pair of heels. I don't know the particular brand that they are. I just know the shoe when I see it at the store. So I really, really did like those. So I want those as well. And then there is like a nice pea coat that I want. I think that's the next thing on my list. There's a nice pea coat that I want that's in Dillard's. It's really nice. It's a little pricey. And I noticed that they were on sale the other day as well. So yeah, give me that like Olivia Pope, you know, Olivia Pope. Ooh, look at that highlight though, bitch. It's a nice long pea coat. It's really nice. It's very classy. It's very elegant, very sexy. Like I said, it's giving me that Olivia Pope. So that is another thing on my list. The next thing is a Louis crossbody. You guys know I've been into crossbodies lately, especially for the holidays when I'm shopping. It's just so much easier for me to put my crossbody on and just put my wallet, my wipes, gloss, and my phone, and that's pretty much all I be having in my purse versus carrying like one of my tote bags. So I've been looking online, and I have 3 of the Louis crossbodies that I want. So yeah. Next, I have Champion clothes. I have been loving Champion lately. I purchased a pair of Champion flip-flops for myself the other day. I really, really like them. I think I snapped them. I'm not sure. My son requested a lot of Champion stuff for his birthday, which he did get. I'm sure you guys probably saw me on Snapchat getting his stuff as well. But I'm into like the Champion jogger outfits. I'm not sure if you guys have seen them. We actually have a store here in Texas at the mall that sells like so much Champion stuff. Like, I just want like a couple of the jogging pants outfits, and then they have some kind of like sweatsuits. I would love to wear them with probably like my Air Max, or like my Shox or something, or even the Champion flip-flops that I got the other day, where they're called slides, not flip-flops. The Champion slides were definitely good with the black Champion outfit that I've seen, and I've been so tempted to just buy them, but I keep thinking like I have to have something on my Christmas wish list. I can't just go buy everything that I want, so I have to put something on my Christmas wish list. So the Champion outfits are super cute. I really, really do love how they look. And like I said, they sell them at like 2 or 3 stores at the mall. So yeah, Champion outfits. I put Champion like jogging outfits, sweatpants, hoodies, and stuff like that. Next thing, Champion shoes. The slides that I purchased are black, and my son got different colors and like the reds and stuff like that. I actually want the yellow pair, and I actually want the red pair myself. So those are the slides that I want. And then also, I'm not sure if you guys have seen, I think in Foot Locker or Finish Line, I'm not sure, but they have like Champion tennis shoes. I definitely want a pair of the Champion tennis shoes. I think that would be so cute with the Champion outfit to wear. So yeah. And then I only have a few more items. It's not that long. I wanted 2 perfumes. I'm sure you guys probably seen my case, not my case collection, my perfume collection, which if you haven't seen my perfume collection, I will link it down below. You guys know I have like an IKEA tier in my room, and then I have each, it's like 3 or 4 different displays. I think it's 3. No, I have 3, but it's actually 4. And I have like these glass, I don't know, little decorative pieces, and I put the perfume on each one, so it's like a tier. Really gorgeous. I think at IKEA I only paid like $60 for the complete stand. It's clear, silver and white. It's really pretty. And I just picked up like the cute little stands from Home Goods or TJ Maxx. Like I said, if you haven't seen it, it'll be linked down below. One of my Tom Fords are kind of low, but not too low. So I did want a new Tom Ford, not a new one, just a scent that I am running low on. And then I have a perfume in my filming room that is made like a shoe. I can't even think of the name, but they actually have a new scent out, so I definitely want to pick up that one for Christmas. So hopefully I can get it. So that's that, 2 perfumes. And then there's a necklace that I saw at K Jeweler. It has like, I don't know, it's like love something on it. It's really, really cute. I saw that, and that's the last thing that's on my Christmas wish list. So that is my Christmas wish list, you guys. We shall see. Also, I'm not sure if you guys will want to see my Christmas wish list. You guys know I always just show the kids' Christmas wish list. And another thing, you guys always ask me, like, where's the kids? Where's my husband? You guys, this is my channel. My kids are not YouTubers. My husband is not a YouTuber. He has 3 careers. My kids' focus is not like doing YouTube. They are focused on school, graduating. YouTube cannot get them in college. It can probably help fund them in college, but it can't get them in college. So like I told you guys so many times, of course the what they got for Christmas video, you guys want to see that. Of course they're going to film it, of course, this year, because I did like a poll or something. I said if this video gets so many likes that I would do it. So that is what they are going to do for you guys. But as far as like my son, you guys know he don't really like the camera and shit like that. Khalil, my daughter, she will get on film every now and then. Then you guys know my son plays football. He's just, my family is very busy, you guys. I'm busy myself. That's why I try to film all my videos in one day, if you guys didn't know, because I am always busy. Because I do other stuff besides YouTube, like, okay? So this is not a family channel. Sorry, you guys. It will probably never be a family channel. Like, it just won't. That's not what my family signed up for. I signed up for YouTube. I'm the YouTuber. You guys will see them every now and then. Or you can follow me on Snapchat. You will see them more on Snapchat than you would probably ever see them on my channel. So that's pretty much it. Also, I will be doing a cash giveaway. I'm giving away $50. I have more money here because it's for other giveaways. I'm actually doing 4 giveaways. So I'm filming like 3 or 4 videos, probably 4. And this one was the first video. So this one is this video, which this video will probably go up Saturday or Sunday. Like I said, if you want to enter the other giveaway, you can enter all the giveaways now. It's not just one person per giveaway. But I just want to show my appreciation to you guys. $50. It's, you know, it's not as big, but it's something for me to give back to you guys for always showing me so much love and appreciation, because you guys know I love you guys so much, and y'all know I fucks with y'all, okay? The rules to this giveaway is you must be subscribed. You must click the notification bell and put done in the comment section down below. You have to follow me on Snapchat and Instagram, and you have to leave your Instagram down below, because that is where I will be contacting you guys. Also, let's see. And then you have to go to the kids' what video was that? Let me see. I put it in my notes. You have to go to the kids, what they got for Christmas video last year. It will be linked down below. And just leave me the timestamp of when Kalia opened up her Van shoes. So, and it's so cute to me how each video you have to go watch a particular video and just come back to this video and put the timestamp. So we make sure you guys understand. I will leave the what the kids got for Christmas 2017 video down below. All you have to do is go to that video and leave the timestamp. As soon as Kalia see her Vans, that's the time. So that's the timestamp. Come back to this video and leave the timestamp in the comments below. So in the comments, this is what you have to put. Done, because that's my way of knowing you turned on the notification bell. Second is your Instagram. And third is the timestamp. And that's pretty much it. I will inbox you on Instagram. And I will also post you on my Snapchat. So definitely make sure you guys are following me on Snapchat, because you only have 24 hours to contact me. And then it's gone. Also on Instagram, it's gone. So if you don't contact me, I will have to pick someone else. And also, I said it in my last video, you guys, when I post the winners, don't go to their Instagram and DM them and talking very nasty and cruel because you didn't win. Everybody on my channel is winners. There are always going to be multiple giveaways on my channel next year, 2019, okay? So just be happy for other people who win. It's $50. You can get you a nice gift or give it to someone else as a Christmas gift. It's your money. Do what you feel. And that's pretty much it. Definitely follow the rules. This video, well, this giveaway will last. The other one is going to end on the 11th. So, oh no, what the fuck? The fuck, the 11th? What's goody? So this one will end Wednesday on the 19th. I am going to overnight the package to you. Please make sure you're over 18 years old, because I shipped out a giveaway package once and it got returned to me because your parents didn't know that you entered the giveaway and they had no idea who I was. So please make sure you're 18 or older or have your parents' consent, because it's kind of like wasting my time really to send you out a package. It's going to be returned to me when I could have sent it to someone else who had their parents' permission, or sent it to someone else. So definitely make sure you're getting your parents' consent if you are 18 or under. So I will announce the winners Wednesday on my Snapchat, and I will announce the winners Wednesday on Instagram. So definitely make sure you guys are subscribed. You have to be subscribed to enter the giveaway, of course. Make sure you follow all the rules, and that's pretty much it. I'm sorry for this video being too long, but I love you guys so much. And until next time, you guys, bye.
Baby, your picture perfect. Your smile, God made it perfect. Don't let nobody tell you different. Baby, you so worth it. You was beautiful in every way. When I'm describing it, it's all I say. Gorgeous as you are.